Hi everyone! Welcome to my unboxing and review of the Dimora Silicone Foam Dressing with Border Adhesive. You can get this product on Amazon for about $19. Check out the link in the description. The package comes with 10 individually wrapped 4 inches by 4 inches dressings, and they are available in different quantities and sizes. Instructions on how to use the dressings are printed on the box, and there's also information inside of the box. According to Dimora, their silicone foam dressing is equipped with Dimora Megasorb technology, delivering 15 times higher absorption capacity to quickly take up wound exudate and firmly retain fluid. The foam pads with a unique 2 mm thick foam core layer are supposed to absorb every liquid and prevent leaking. It takes a moment, but the liquid is absorbed pretty well. Comparing a used dressing to an unused one clearly shows how the internal structure has changed. I tested the silicone foam dressing for a few days and I think it's a very good product. It is water resistant, very easy to put on and remove, and it absorbs wound exudate very well. So if you are looking for a silicone foam dressing for wound care that is water resistant, gentle on your skin and very absorbent, I would recommend the Dimora Silicone Foam Dressing with Border Adhesive. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.